Hi guys, it's Mr. Pringle with our next lesson for Chapter 9, Lesson 7, where we are going to subtract mixed numbers. Before we subtract mixed numbers, we got to go back a little bit to last week and remember how to take a mixed number, like this one, 5 3/4, and change that into an improper fraction. All of our subtracting today will happen after our mixed numbers are improper fractions. So if you remember, we take the denominator and we're going to multiply it by the whole number, and then take that answer and add on the numerator. So multiply across the bottom, adding on top. So 4 times 5 is 20 plus 3 is going to give us 23/4. All of our subtraction will happen like this today and from now on when you're subtracting your mixed numbers. So let's do 3 2/4 minus 2 3/4. So we're going to take both of our mixed numbers and transform them into improper fractions. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, original denominator, and we're going to subtract. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, original denominator, and that's going to give us 14 minus 11 is 3/4, original denominator. That's simple. Let's look at another one. What if we had 6 2/3 minus 2 1/3? We're going to take the mixed number and transform it into an improper fraction. So 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20/3, and we're going to subtract. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7/3, and that's going to give us 13/3. Now, we have an improper fraction here. So, we have to take the improper fraction and put it back into a mixed number. So, we will do 13 divided by 3. 3 goes into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, I get 1, remainder 1. So 4 is my whole number. 1 is my numerator for my remainder, and original denominator of the thirds. Now, even after this step, sometimes you will still have to simplify. So there's quite a few steps in subtracting mixed numbers, but nothing you can't do or haven't already learned.